We'll guide you through how to make groups in Google Keep Notes. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a simple way to organize multiple notes in Google Keep. Grouping notes with labels helps reduce clutter and improves productivity. Many users are unsure how labels work, so they look for guidance to manage related ideas, tasks, or projects more efficiently and keep everything easy to find. To make groups in Google Keep Notes, begin by opening your preferred search engine on your computer. In the search bar, type in Google Keep Notes and select the top option from the results to access the official page. Once the page loads, log into your account using your email and password. After signing in, create a new note by typing directly into the New Note tab displayed on the screen. If you want to form a group of related notes, you can create more than one note so they can be organized together later. For each note, start by adding a new and clear title that reflects its content. After that, set up your notes using the Settings tab to access available customization options. Choose a format for your notes that works best for your needs and improves readability. If you are not satisfied with the formatting you selected, you can easily reset the formats to return to the default style. Next, choose a background according to your preference so your notes stand out and are easy to distinguish from others. You may also clip or add a picture to your note if you want to include visual elements. Once your notes are customized to your liking, click on the three dots menu and select the option to add a label. At this stage, you can either create a new label or use an existing label that you have already made. Labels act as groups that help organize related notes together. To group your notes, select a note and assign it to your chosen new or existing label. Repeat this process for other notes that belong in the same group. Finally, click on the label located on the left tab of the interface, and you will see that all the notes assigned to that label are grouped together in one section for easy access and better organization.